This is a tutorial on the extension form. An extension form is used when typically the parties are going to extend the close of escrow date, or a party, namely the buyer, is going to extend a contingency period. It's a very simple form to use. Let's take a look. So it starts with this section, and you'll put a number 1 there if it's the first time you're doing an extension. If you have to do another extension, you'll put a number 2 so that you can keep a sequential track of each extension that was used in the transaction. You'll put the property address here on this next line. And you'll put the document in which the term is located that you're extending. So since we have the close of escrow and the purchase agreement, we're going to put the purchase agreement, the date of that purchase agreement to make sure we're talking about the same one, the same draft of document. And then it's going to ask, extension of close of escrow. Are we extending it? And if we are, we'd put a date, the new date. And if it's not an extension of the close of escrow, then we would just jump down here, extension of a contingency period. That's the second most common sort of extension that you'll see. And this might be a certain contingency period. We have them all listed: buyer inspection, buyer appraisal, buyer loan, because you have 17 days here, 17 days here, 21 days for the buyer loan. And then the seller has 7 days. So any of those extensions can be, any of those periods can be extended, or you can even write in some other unforeseen or unique arrangement you might have. You can have that extended as well. And then you'll put the date in which one of these periods is extended to. Or, and there's even a third option, the deadline for blank. It could be anything. And the parties might have some sort of arrangement, like seller to move certain furniture out or move furniture out of the garage by a certain date. Well, all that can be written in here. You have this nice extra blank space to just put whatever term you can come up with there. And of course, both parties will sign. At that point, it's executed, and then you will have your extension. If you have any questions, please email contact@openhomesale.com or visit our website, openhomesale.com. Thanks for watching.